gonna be a good season. Yeah!
Now! I can get rid of all of the greens at once!
Come and get me, chicken!
No!
Well, Chip, looks like you're the one who doesn't belong in Big City.
Why you?
Bingo, bango. Great, that's short. I think simulation's over, Gloria. Time to stand up, go to time circle, and get your man.
I'm gonna stand up!
Yeah!
I'm gonna get my man!
Yeah! Oh, that's how we're walking. Okay.
Dad is not having a meltdown.
Okay.
Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy, that Superman, that hoe? Now why me you crank that soul? Now why me you crank that soul? Now why me you crank that soul? Now crank that soul? Now why me soldier boy up in the hoe? Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy, that Superman, that hoe? Now why me you crank that soul? Now why me you crank that soul? Now why me you crank that soul?
Get ready to... Get ready to enter the magical world of OK Karaoke.
Whoa.
At OK Karaoke, you can be a cowboy. You'll always be my number one. When we're together, we have fun. A P-U-N-K pump. Back on! The hottest pop sensation.
Just shake that booty and get
On your feet. Or even call some kazoo.
It's 2021 and the Unbreakable Greens
Chip Whistler bought Big Coffee and shut it down!
the apartment complex. Big Coffee, they're gone. Chip is evil.
are about to get chipped.
I'll be tearing down your house at midnight.
This January, it's Big City Greens like you've never seen it before.
Come on, guys, we gotta fight back.
I'm not letting anybody touch our house!
A brand new big episode special event, Chipocalypse Now.
Bingo, bango.
Saturday, January 16th at 9, only on Disney Channel.
Big news, everyone. I finished my preparations for the... Was it built 3rd century? No. 2nd. Yes, of course. Okay, when it was at... Hey, yeah. This first temple is said to specifically challenge your intelligence. None of them were Marcy Wu, head of the chess club, master RTS player, straight-A student, except for Jim, but only because I was reading in class, which only proves my point. Oh my gosh, Anne! I'm about to beat my all-time record! I'm so happy for you! Marcy! Ah, let me down! Marcy! Help!
Breaking news. 500 snakes have escaped from... Wait, is that a middle school student?
Marcy! No! It's pretty much my superpower. After you, dude.
Oh, no. After you, my dear.
Oh, don't be silly. I insist. Temple thinks it can beat me. It's got another thing coming. A dangerous room. What to do? Don't be jealous of my hue. Guys, I've done the research. Plus, it's me, remember? I said I won't let you down, and I meant it. Now, who wants to hit that button? Host, consider the stone charged, baby. Few have the brains to make it to this door, but are you wise enough to solve what's in store? Yep, let's go. So, both sides have a wart, right? And they're trying to flip it. Each piece has a different set of abilities. These archers, for example, can only attack in a straight line. Oh, I love this game!
Ooh, I get a scepter.
You're a pawn. Oh, man. Get ready, Anne. There's a good chance you're next. Don't worry, everyone. I'll just play well enough so that none of you gets hurt. It'll be like hard mode. Fun! More pieces. If I can just attack from a different angle, I should be fine. What the heck's going on? I'm trying to throw this game, but it won't let me. I need your help. Help you? How? Only the worthy will have the wisdom to choose, whether it's more important to win or have the humility to lose. A choice was made to save thy friends, and honestly, doesn't that make you a winner in the end? Of course! Why didn't I think of it sooner? The temple wasn't just testing for intelligence, it was also testing for humility. Well, don't give the temple a chance to change its mind! Charge that bad boy! Be able to triangulate its location with a bit of work. Whoa! This just keeps getting better! All right! 1 down, 2 to go.
For this!
No! The apartment complex. Big Coffee. They're gone!
Bingo, bango. Hey! Give that back! It's go time, boys!
Grandma!
Stay calm. Time for phase 2.
What in the world?
Shield formation!
Ah, rats!
Oh no, the family's in trouble.
Oh, I know someone who can help. Code Red!
Ready to help, Master Remy.
What in the world?
What the heck is...
My soft, vulnerable eyes! Avenge us, brother!
Fine!
No, we don't!
My citizens! We've been watching everything on the news, Mr. Mayor.
You can't get rid of the greens?
But I thought you all wanted the Greens to go.
We might not always get along.
They may be weird.
And stinky.
But none of that matters, because they're really nice people. We want the Greens to stay!
I'm sorry to say, but you are hereby banned from Big City.
What? You can't ban me!
Our house is saved!
Yeah, we did it!
Cricket Green, you've made a fool of me for the last time! Cricket!
Oh boy, this had better work! That's all right. All my decisions are good ones!
Now! I can get rid of all of the Greens at once!
Come and get me, chicken!
No!
Well, Chip, looks like you're the one who doesn't belong in Big City.
Why you?
Bingo, bango. And that's how you launch a chicken into space.